Here's a great appetizer option. Spinach artichoke dip. A creamy, cheesy dip made with spinach, artichokes, and various cheeses, served with tortilla chips, bread, or crackers. Spinach artichoke dip is a classic and beloved appetizer. Here's a recipe for this delicious dip. Ingredients. 1. 10 ounces, package frozen chopped spinach, thawed and drained. 1. 14 ounces, can artichoke hearts, drained and chopped. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup sour cream. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. Salt and black pepper to taste. Tortilla chips, bread, or crackers for serving. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the drained spinach, chopped artichoke hearts, grated Parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, softened cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, minced garlic, red pepper flakes, if using, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish or a cast iron skillet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25–30 minutes or until the dip is hot and bubbly, and the top is lightly golden brown. Once done, remove the spinach artichoke dip from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Serve the dip warm with tortilla chips, bread slices, or crackers for dipping. This creamy, cheesy spinach artichoke dip is perfect for parties, gatherings, or potlucks. The combination of spinach, artichokes, and various cheeses creates a flavorful and irresistible appetizer that is sure to be a crowd pleaser.